All right, so we have the serum here, the night serum for our eyes and our face. We'll just kind of take it, blend it in, make sure we get our skin nice and soft in the morning. We won't have the bags under our eyes. Looking good. You see how shiny it is already? I can actually feel how good it feels right now. I can imagine what it feels like in the morning. So, yeah, this is excellent. I mean, you know, brothers, we need to start taking care of our skin because some of us, we were looking a little rough. So, just make sure you rub it in and then you get a little sleep on and wake up in the morning feeling refreshed and relaxed and having a nice, beautiful skin. All right.